Today we're going to do our second length lesson, okay? So we talked about inches and centimeters yesterday, which you know, if you look at the ruler, inches are on the side that have the numbers farther apart, and the centimeters are on the side that have the numbers closer together, okay? Today we are going to talk about a foot, okay? A foot on a ruler is what we're going to be talking about, okay? So, you've noticed your ruler goes up to 12 inches, and that's as far as your ruler goes, okay? So, 12 inches, your ruler is actually equal to 1 foot. So, a foot is 12 inches, all right? So, what that means is the entire length of this ruler from here to here, this whole line I just created is 1 foot, 1 FT for foot. Okay, that's our abbreviation. Okay, so that should be simple to see. So anything that goes longer than 12 inches, you can turn into something that's got a foot in it. So I'm going to draw this line and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, here's my line. I'm going to measure it. So I'm going to put my ruler up here. It goes to 12 inches there. But there's still more that way. So I know right here that I have 12 inches, or what did we say here? 1. So then I'll pick up my ruler again. I'll start at the line that I stopped at, okay? And again, go all the way down to my 12, okay? So here we have another 12 inches. And again, that's equal to 1 foot. Okay, and then this last little bit is not long enough to be a foot, but it goes to right here, which you can't see it, but I could. It's 2 1/2 inches. Okay, so to find out how long this whole line is, I've got to add my feet first. So I have 1 foot here plus another 1 foot here. So my line is 2 feet, and I can't add the inches to the feet part. It can't be 4 1/2 feet because this is only 2 1/2 inches. So I've got 2 feet, and then I just write the inches, 2 1/2 inches. So this whole line is 2 feet, 2 1/2 inches. Okay, I'm going to do one more example for you guys. All right, so let's draw another line. The bigger one, I think. Okay, so again, you start at the end of your ruler like I taught you. You go to the 12. You should know by now, from what hear me say it 3 times, 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. Okay, start at the line I just stopped at. Go to the end. There's my 12. So 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. And again, starting at the line that I stopped at, going to the end, look at that. Miss Vitus is perfect. 12 more inches equals 1 foot. And I don't have any leftover inches down there. So that means I just add all my feet together. 1 foot plus 1 foot plus 1 foot is 3 feet. So my line is 3 feet long. Okay? So I'm going to teach you one more thing, and then I'll give you your homework. All right? So, if you see that something is 3 feet long, to find out how many inches that is, all you do is add 12 however many times there are feet. Okay? So, what I mean by that is, this says 3 feet. 1 foot is 12 inches. So, I'm adding it 3 times. 12, 12, 12. Okay? 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 3 feet is equal to 36 inches. All right? I'll do one more. If we did 2 feet, all right, that means we are adding our 12 inches 2 times. 12 plus 12. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 feet is equal to 24 inches. All right? I'll do one more just to be safe. Okay? If I did, I'll do a bigger one this Woo, this Midas better go. 8 feet. That means I'm adding my 12 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo. All right. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Well, that's 5 twos. I know that's 10. And this is 3 twos, which is 6. So this side's equal to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 feet is 96 inches. Okay? Hopefully we understand that at this point. So, here's what I want you to do in your notebooks. Okay? I'm going to erase all of this. This is what you're going to put in your notebook to bring back for your homework tomorrow. Okay? At the top, you should have your lesson. This is lesson 2. Today's date is 4/1/15. Okay? Before you write your questions, I want you to please put 1 foot a bunch of times. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. This is not a question for your homework, but please, please, please write this down. Okay? Your first question, I want you to measure yourself in feet. Okay, so I did myself earlier. What I did was I stood up against the wall, I drew a line at the top of my head, and I kept going up with my ruler until I got to the top. I was 5 feet 11 inches. Okay, so you would do that for yourself. Find somewhere where you can draw yourself a line and measure up, or ask your parents for help. Okay, so you would put you are blank feet, and if you have any inches, you would put blank inches. Okay? 2, measure a family member. That should be fun. Okay? You're also measuring them in feet. So again, you would put blank feet, and then if they had any inches, blank inches. All right? The last question I want you to do has to do with going from feet to inches like I showed you. Okay, so you only have 3 questions tonight. Question 3, I want you to change 4 feet into inches. So however many inches that is. Remember, there's 12 inches in 1 foot, so you do it 4 times to figure out how many are in 4 feet. Okay, so these are your questions. Measure yourself. Feet and inches if you have them. If you don't have inches, all you would put is your feet. Same with your family member. That can be mom, dad, brother, sister, cousin, whoever you want to do, okay? Feet, inches again, and then number 3, you're changing 4 feet to however many inches are in that. Okay? Good luck, and I will see you tomorrow.